12 hungry mouths to feed, a single breadwinner. They have to make do with this 160 rand per month. This money only lasts a few days. Those who feel it the most are the little ones. When schools are open, they get food daily. The last time Abongile Zenzile and her daughter had a decent meal was 2 days ago. And that was a food parcel delivered by government officials. I really wish that schools could open because it's really tough now that schools are closed. At least when she's at school, I know she's eating. But here at home, we sometimes sleep on an empty stomach. 20-year-old Tembakazi Faltain has 2 children. She has a birth certificate but no identification document, which means she cannot apply for a child grant. She relies on handouts from neighbors. I feel so bad that I can't feed my children daily because they need to eat in order to grow. At least when they are at school, they are given food, but here at home, they are starving. It's really bad.
My concern is that the parents don't have IDs. If they could get those, then at least these children would not go hungry. Also, I wish that the government can give them a proper house, because this one is too cold for young children to live in. And also, if we can get better jobs, things would be easier.
With schools still closed, more than 9 million children do not get a meal through the National Schools Nutrition Program. A further 1.2 million under the age of 5 are also unable to access a meal through early childhood development centres.
Well, my view on that would be that even the previous grant you got was very, very small, and even the new amount that's been allocated may sound like a better deal, but on the other hand, you have got to weigh up that there is a whole family of people in the house without employment, all under lockdown, and if money comes in, there is not somebody that's just going to look that the money will go towards the child or the food will go towards the child. It is just human nature for survival that people will live on whatever they can buy with this kind of money.
Van Rensburg says as a result of the pandemic, South Africa could see an increase in the number of severely malnourished children. Lerato Fekisi, SABC News, Port Elizabeth.